Very good morning. In this session, I am going to show you the demonstration on shell programming for birth month calendar and compared to strings. I am Dr. Srithar, Associate Professor, Department of Experiential Learning, KL University. So let us move into the discussion part of the first program. The very important thing is that why we are using shell command means you can able to keep a series of commands, those commands to be executed in sequence with one single command called sh followed by filename.sh. If you have to keep all these command in filename.sh, then you can able to execute all these commands in sequence. Suppose if you want to read any variable from the user, you need to use the command called read followed by the variable. So here I am using three variables n, m and y. N for getting the name, m for getting your month, y for getting the year of birth. And this echo command just a printing statement, it is like a printf statement only. And if I want to, after getting the user input, if I want to print that user input, then you need to use the $sign followed by the variable, so that it will display the corresponding variable value of that particular variable. Suppose if I am keeping only cal, then what it will do is which will display only the calendar. If I want to specifically display the month and year of birth, just to mention $m and $y. So what it will do, it will display the current, it's not a current, so it will display the particular month and particular year's calendar. So let's do this as a practical. You just log in to your console. So that is, take your Linux environment and you just create one file called, what I'm using is touch file 1.sh. Okay, I'm created one file called file1.sh. Now just to open that file1.sh file, let's do coding. First thing, echo command, that is enter your name with the variable as n. Similarly for the enter your birth month, so it will read m as the variable, then echo command enter your birth year. So now read y. Okay, we have three variables n, m and y. So just this is for some separation purpose. Okay, now I want to display the name first. So to display the name, within double quotes I can mention $n for the name. So this double quotes is optional, you can use, otherwise you can neglect. We just ignore this also, that's no problem. Okay, and now I want to display the calendar, cal followed by $m for the month, $y for the year. Again I'm using star for the separation. Let's see, escape symbol :wq to save your file. Now just for the execution, simply use sh command. It is asking your name, keep your name, birth month as 5 and year is 1990. Okay, so it is displaying exactly my birth calendar. Okay, so similar to that we will do it for the string comparison. Let's see this explanation. See, for this I need to read two strings, namely str1 and str2, and these two are variables. I want to compare it with the if else statement, if followed by, in the dollar we need to get it. If I want to read the variable, you need to use dollar followed by the variable name. equal to $str2 for the string. Then I should use this then. Wherever this if condition comes, you need to use this then. After this angular bracket, after that angular bracket, if this condition is equal, then it should print the strings are equal. Otherwise, the strings are unequal. So here very important thing is that here the spaces, everything are case sensitive and space sensitive. And finally, to finish this execution, let's keep the command as F5. So let's do this practice also. So what I'm doing, I just create one file called string.sh. Okay, let's move into string.sh. Okay, let's get to two numbers first. Enter echo command. Echo, enter string1 and read str1. Similar to that, echo, enter string2, read second string. Okay, so now I want to test it. That is if condition, as I told, this angle bracket. Okay, so I want to test it. That is $str equal to str1. Actually, str1 equal to $str2. Okay, one space. Then there is a colon. Keep then echo command. So if this condition matches, it should display as the string is equal, else it should display the string is not equal. Okay, so final command is F5. F5 means finish. So let's test this execution. Just colon WQ as usual. Please keep sh command to run this. Keep the string1. I'm giving same string as my name. It is showing it as the string is equal. Let's see. I am try to give some other Sri. Let's see. Now it is showing the string is not equal. So that's it. We have achieved our agenda. So we have completed birth calendar as well as string comparison. Thank you and happy learning.